What's going on, y'all? It's been a while. Just wanted to show you a meal that I'm making tonight. So I have jasmine rice from Trader Joe's. It's boiling right now. I got some onions in there. I got some red kidney beans with some onion salt seasoning. And here I have some collard greens, some carrots, colored carrots, purple, yellow, orange, and cabbage down here at the bottom. Um, Everybody knows that your dark greens are good for iron. Cabbage has, I believe, vitamin A in it, and it's also good for iron. Um, these are very good for your heart, for your brain, for neurotic pain, toxins. Like, this is really good. So I'm boiling all of this, and that's it for right now. And I'm going to be frying up some tofu as well from Trader Joe's. I like to fry my tofu, make sure you have the protein, and also red kidney beans is good for proteins. If you ever want to figure out what kind of meal you want to make, or if you want to take an idea from this, then definitely go right ahead. And this is for all the vegans out there, and anybody, even if they're not. This is all good. It's all about eating healthy. You know, it's a process and it takes time and everything.